Shalom, and welcome to Biblical Hebrew 101. Want to understand the Bible in its original language? Start with the words that show up the most. In this video, we're breaking down the 100 most common Hebrew nouns in the Old Testament, each one with its meaning and pronunciation. If you are learning Biblical Hebrew or just want deeper insight into Scripture, this is where you begin. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Ben is son. Ben. Ben. Elohim is God. Elohim. Elohim. Melech is king. Melech. Melech. Eretz is land or earth. Eretz. Eretz. Yom is day. Yom. Yom. Ish is a man or a person. Ish. Ish. Bait is house. Bait. Bait. Am is people. Am. Yad is a hand. Yad. Yad. Av is father. Av. Av. Shana is a year. Shana. Shana. Shem is a name. Shem. Shem. Eved is a servant or a slave. Eved. Eved. Isha is a woman or a wife. Isha. Isha. Nefesh is a soul or a living thing. Nefesh. Nefesh. Kohen is a priest. Kohen. Kohen. Derech is a way or a path. Derech. Derech. Ach is a brother. Ach. Ach. Rosh is a head. Rosh. Rosh. Bat is a daughter. Bat. Bat. Maim is water. Maim. Maim. Adam is man or a human. Adam. Adam. Goy is a nation. Goy. Goy. Har is a mountain. Har. Har. Lev is a heart. Lev. Lev. Kol is a voice. Kol. Kol. פה is a mouth. פה. פה. צבא is an army. צבא. צבא. קודש is holiness. קודש. קודש. משפט is judgment. משפט. משפט. שמיים is heavens. שמיים. שמיים. שר is a prince or a minister. שר. שר. תווך is midst. תווך. תווך. חרב is a sword. חרב. חרב. כסף is silver. כסף. כסף. מקום is a place. מקום. מקום. ים is the sea. ים. ים. מזבח is an altar. מזבח. מזבח. אש is fire. אש. אש. רוח is spirit or wind. רוח. רוח. שער is a gate. שער. שער. דם is blood. דם. דם. אוהל is a tent. אוהל. אוהל. אדון is lord or a master. אדון. אדון. שדה is a field. שדה. שדה. עץ is tree. עץ. עץ. כלי is a vessel. כלי. כלי. מלחמה is war. מלחמה. מלחמה. נביא is a prophet. נביא. נביא. רעה is evil. רעה. רעה. משפחה is a family. משפחה. משפחה. לחם is bread. לחם. לחם. חטא is a sin. חטא. חטא. עת is time. עת. עת. חודש is a month. חודש. חודש. ברית is a covenant. ברית. ברית. אבן is a stone or a rock. אבן. אבן. צאן is a flock of sheep. צאן. צאן. מדבר is a desert or wilderness. מדבר. מדבר. בשר is flesh. בשר. בשר. רשע is wicked. רשע. רשע. מטה is a staff. מטה. מטה. רגל is a foot. רגל. רגל. חסד is mercy or kindness. חסד. חסד. El is a god or the Almighty One. El. El. גבול is a border. גבול. גבול. שלום is peace. שלום. שלום. מעשה is a deed or work. מעשה. מעשה. בקרב is in the midst of. בקרב. בקרב. לילה is night. לילה. לילה. חיים is life. חיים. חיים. עוון is iniquity. עוון. עוון. זרע is seed. זרע. זרע. אדמה is ground or earth. אדמה. אדמה. מועד is appointed time. מועד. מועד. אם is a mother. אם. אם. תורה is law or instruction. תורה. תורה. בגד is garment. בגד. בגד. מחנה is a camp. מחנה. מחנה. מלאך is an angel. מלאך. מלאך. מנחה is an offering. מנחה. מנחה. נחלה is a plot of land that is inherited. נחלה. נחלה. פנים is a face. פנים. פנים. צדיק is righteous. צדיק. tzaddik. Avodah means work or service. Avodah. Avodah. Mishkan is tabernacle or a temple. Mishkan. Mishkan. Chok is a statute or a law. Chok. Chok. Sheker is falsehood. Sheker. Sheker. Tfilah is a prayer. Tfilah. Tfilah. Shofet is a judge. Shofet. Shofet. Gvura is strength. Gvura. Gvura. Mizmor is a psalm or a song. Mizmor. Mizmor. Tehillah is praise. Tehillah. Tehillah. Bechi is weeping. Bechi. Bechi. Shir is a song. Shir. Shir. Geula is redemption. Geula. Geula. Chokhmah is wisdom. Chokhmah. Chokhmah. Hineni is I am or here I am. Hineni. Hineni. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.